To help your BX2380 tractor operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Changing the oil and filter on your machine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have the correct oil and filter. You'll need both to complete this task. You'll need an oil filter wrench, a selection of hand tools, and a drain pan. Shop towels will also be helpful. Warm the engine for a few minutes prior to draining the oil, but be careful not to burn yourself. First, you will need to place a drain pan below the oil drain, and then remove the drain plug. Turn the plug counterclockwise with the correct size wrench to remove. Once the oil has been completely drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten properly. Be careful not to over-tighten. Raise the hood. Then remove the oil filter using an oil filter wrench if necessary, counterclockwise to remove it. Clean the metal surface on the engine. Put a film of the clean engine oil on the rubber seal on the new filter. Then install the new filter, turning clockwise. Once the filter contacts the base, turn an additional half turn by hand. Finally, fill the engine with new oil. Be sure not to overfill, as this could cause engine damage. Run the engine for a minute or so after filling, and then check for leaks. Then shut it off and double-check the oil level with the dipstick and correct the level as necessary. On the BX2380 series, the first oil change is due at 50 hours. After that, it should be done every 200 hours. Be sure to consult the manual for all of the maintenance intervals. It's also important to check the oil level prior to each use. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together, we do more.